Montego Bay mourns death of popular businessman Robert Russell. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Montego Bay business, tourism and entertainment communities are mourning the loss of Robert Russell. Russell died at hospital on Wednesday afternoon after ailing for some time. The businessman was associated with the Pier 1 restaurant in Montego Bay and is one of the founding members of the Great Reggae Sunfest. After Joe Bogdanovich owned Down Sun bought out Sunfest, Russell remained with the promotion. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in extending condolences to Russell's family, described the businessman as a true cultural trailblazer and distinguished businessman from Montego Bay. Robert's vision and dedication to Jamaicans' music and heritage were exemplified through his founding of Reggae Sunfest and his stewardship of Pier 1, both of which became iconic pillars of our culture. Holness posted on his social media account. Tourism Minister Edmund Barclay expressed deep sorrow at the passing of the prominent businessman and close friend. Russell, who he described as a visionary entrepreneur and pillar of Jamaican tourism and entertainment industries. In a release from the Ministry of Tourism, Barclay described Russell as a true pioneer and force to be reckoned with in the tourism, film and entertainment industries. His contribution to the development of Montego Bay and Jamaica as a whole are immeasurable. I am deeply saddened by the passing of my dear friend Robert Russell, Minister Bartlett said. Russell's entrepreneurial spirit and dedication to excellence have been instrumental in helping to shape the Jamaican tourism landscape. As a founding member of Reggae Sunfest, the visionary behind Pier 1 restaurant and an earlier championship of local resorts, he played a pivotal role in the evaluation of Jamaican cultural offering and attracting visitors from around the world, he added. Throughout the years, Russell also contributed significantly to the public sector and is a former chairman of the Tourism Development Product, the TPDCO. In 2017, he was appointed a member of the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander CD for his outstanding contribution to the music, entertainment, tourism and film industries. Abbey is a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Jamaica Hotel and Tourism Association, the Minister of Tourism added. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.